This product is trending on Amazon US right now, but popularity doesn't always mean it's worth buying. But what if I told you that for many modern vehicles, especially those with advanced electronics or start-stop systems, a standard lead-acid battery simply won't cut it anymore? You need specialized technology, and that's where the ACDelco Gold 94 AGM steps in as a potentially critical upgrade, not just a replacement. The ACDelco Gold 94 AGM, specifically the 88864542 model, is a premium absorbent glass matte, or AGM, car battery. It's manufactured by ACDelco, a trusted name in automotive parts and a division of General Motors, so you know it comes from a lineage of automotive expertise. This isn't just any battery, it's engineered to meet the demanding power needs of today's complex vehicles, particularly those requiring BCI Group 94R sizing. It's designed to solve the common problems of premature battery failure, especially in cars that put a high draw on their electrical systems, providing consistent, reliable power for everything from starting your engine to running all your car's intricate electronic components. Let's dive into the key features and why they truly matter to you. First up is the AGM technology itself. Unlike traditional flooded batteries, AGM batteries use saturated mats of glass fiber to hold the electrolyte, making them completely sealed and spill-proof. Why this matters: it offers superior vibration resistance, crucial for modern vehicles, and much better deep cycle performance, meaning it can discharge and recharge more times without damage. This is vital for cars with start-stop technology, which cycle the engine on and off frequently, or vehicles with heavy accessory loads like heated seats, navigation, and entertainment systems. You get a battery that lasts longer and performs more consistently under stress. Next, the 36-month free replacement warranty. This is a significant indicator of quality and peace of mind. ACDelco stands behind this battery for 3 full years. Why it matters: batteries are a critical component, and a warranty this robust protects your investment. If anything goes wrong within those 36 months, you're covered, giving you confidence in its longevity and the manufacturer's trust in their product's durability. Then there's the BCI Group 94R size. This might sound technical, but it's incredibly practical. It ensures a direct, perfect fit for a wide range of vehicles, particularly many European models from brands like BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Audi, and Volkswagen, as well as some domestic cars that specify this group size. The link in the description is an affiliate link. Use it to purchase and support the channel. Thank you for watching. Like, share and comment which Amazon product you want next to be reviewed.